Have you ever looked at a restaurant menu in English and had no idea what to say?
Don't worry. Today, we'll practice a complete restaurant conversation together.
From asking for a table,
To ordering your food.
to asking for the bill.
By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what to say.
Let's go to the restaurant. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Jay and Anna. I'm Jay.
And I'm Anna. Today we're learning real restaurant English.
I'm ordering food in English for the very first time.
Don't worry. I'll help you every step of the way.
By the end of this lesson, I'll know exactly what to say.
And so will you. Let's go inside.
Wow, this restaurant looks really nice.
It does. Now imagine you've just walked through the door.
Okay, what should I say first?
If you're dining alone, simply say,
Table for one, please.
perfect. That's one of the most useful restaurant phrases.
That was easier than I expected.
Exactly. Most restaurant English is short and simple.
What happens next?
Imagine the host smiles and shows you to your table.
So now I'm sitting down.
Yes. Take your time and look at the menu.
There are so many choices.
That's completely normal.
Sometimes I don't know what the dishes are.
Then don't guess. Just ask a simple question.
Which question?
Say, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Excellent. Native speakers ask this all the time.
So I don't need to know every item on the menu.
Exactly. One simple question can help you choose.
I'm already feeling much more confident.
Good. Confidence comes from using simple English, not difficult English.
All right. I think I've decided what I want.
Great. In the next part, we'll order the food and drinks using natural English. All right, Jay. You've looked at the menu. Are you ready to order?
I think so, but I'm still a little nervous.
That's okay. Just speak slowly and clearly.
Okay. What should I say first?
Start with, I'd like the pasta, please.
I'd like the pasta, please.
Perfect. That sounds natural.
Can I also order a drink?
Of course. What would you like?
I'd like a glass of water, please.
Excellent. That's polite and sounds very natural. Now imagine I ask if you'd like anything else.
What should I say?
If you're finished ordering, simply say,
That's all, thank you.
excellent. Very natural.
I think ordering food is much easier than I imagined.
Most people worry too much.
What if I don't hear the other person clearly?
Then politely ask them to repeat.
Could you say that again, please?
Excellent. That's another useful phrase.
Could you speak a little more slowly, please?
Perfect. Never be afraid to ask.
People are usually happy to help.
Exactly. Remember, communication is more important than perfect English.
All right, my food should be here soon.
Great. Next, we'll learn what to say during the meal and how to ask for the bill with confidence.
The food is here already.
Great. What's the first thing you might say?
Wow, this looks delicious.
Perfect. Native speakers say that all the time.
I can't wait to try it.
Go ahead.
I love it.
That's a wonderful compliment if you enjoy your meal.
I'm definitely coming back here.
Looks like you picked the right restaurant.
What if I finish my water?
First, get the server's attention politely.
Excuse me.
Good. Now ask your question.
Can I have some more water, please?
Excellent. That's polite and natural.
Can I ask for extra napkins too?
Of course.
Can I have some extra napkins, please?
Perfect. You can use that sentence for almost anything.
Really?
Yes. Just change the last few words.
Can I have another spoon, please?
Exactly.
Can I have some ketchup, please?
Perfect. You're learning quickly.
What if there's a small problem with my food?
Stay calm and always be polite.
Okay. What should I say?
You could say, "Excuse me, this seems a little salty."
Excuse me, this seems a little salty.
Excellent. You're explaining the problem respectfully.
I don't need to be angry.
Exactly. Being polite usually gets better results.
That's good advice. I'm finished now.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes. Everything was delicious.
Wonderful. Now it's time to pay.
What should I say?
Ask politely.
Can I have the bill, please?
Perfect.
And if I want to pay with my card?
Simply ask.
Can I pay by card?
Excellent. You'll use that phrase in restaurants all over the world.
What if they only accept cash?
Then they'll let you know.
Good to know.
See? Every conversation has been simple.
I thought restaurant English would be much harder.
Most real conversations use simple words.
I feel much more confident now.
That's exactly the goal of today's lesson.
Awesome. Let's review everything we've learned.
Let's do one final practice together. Answer before J if you can. Now it's your turn. I'll ask the questions. You answer before J does. You're eating alone. What do you say?
Table for one, please.
You don't know what to order.
What do you recommend?
You've chosen your meal.
I'd like the pasta, please.
You need another glass of water.
Can I have some more water, please?
You're ready to pay.
Can I have the bill, please?
Excellent. If you answered before J, you're making real progress.
I never thought ordering food in English could be this easy.
Now you know exactly what to say from the moment you walk in until you ask for the bill.
Practice these phrases, and soon they'll become part of your everyday English.
If this lesson helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn English with Jay and Anna.
Remember,
you don't need perfect English.
You just need to start speaking.
Thanks for practicing with us. Keep speaking English every day, and we'll see you in the next lesson.